Kalamazoo K20E 20-inch enclosed wet cutoff saw comes with 15 and or 20 horsepower 3-phase motor. 6-inch port for mist collection system hookup is located on top of unit. 10-gallon recirculating pump and tank system. Unit comes with washdown hose and nozzle. Flow control valve. Adjust how much coolant comes out of flexible coolant nozzles located on left and right side of guard. Magnetic controls located in dust tight box. 24 volts at push button. Oscillation system. Oscillating helps improves the cuts and minimize burning. Aerofoil power down feed system. This system is controlled by DTE24 lightweight hydraulic oil and shop air. The power down feed system is controlled by a set of buttons and valves. You have the feed rate control valve allows you to adjust the speed of arm descension between 0 and 12 FPM. Temporary override button allows you to quickly descend arm close to part. You have a return home button that sends arm back up. Hinge door for blade change and clean out. Saw spindle arbor size comes standard as 1 inch. You have access ports on left and right side for long parts. Adjustable LED light. Adjustable threaded rod allows for blade wear. Machinery options. Steel T-slot table. Comes standard with 5/8 slots. Optional Air Jaw Vise. This vise can be moved left and right and front to back. All you need is an Allen wrench. Vise control is located on guard. Vices are sold separately. Optional door safety interlocks keeps operator on a machine until there's 0 blade rotation. For more information, call us at 269-382-2050. Made in Kalamazoo, Michigan, USA.